Mushrooms are very good for health and we're always looking to try new recipes with mushrooms. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful mushroom recipe. This is mushroom pepper masala. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe I've taken 400 grams of mushrooms. They've been washed nice and clean. Now I'm going to cut the mushrooms into nice and thick slices. So you can see it's nice and thick, so don't make it too thin. To a white saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm going to add a few whole spices, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Next I'm adding 3 medium-sized onions that have been thinly sliced, 2 large green chillies slit. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden color. The onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Next I'm going to add freshly pounded ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Next add 1 large tomato, finely chopped. Next I'm going to add half capsicum that I've cut into small pieces. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything together. Now gently start adding the mushrooms. So make sure while making the mushroom masala, the mushrooms are nice and fresh. I'm adding 1 cup of water. Keep the flame on medium and close the saucepan and cook for about 10 minutes. So now you can see all the excess water is evaporated. The masalas come together beautifully. The flavors are amazing. Now I'm just going to finish off by adding a few curry leaves. This is optional. You can also add coriander leaves if you like. The mushroom pepper masala is ready. You can serve it hot. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious mushroom pepper masala. Now this can be had either with chapati or with rice, and if you like it a little more spicy, you can increase the chilies and the pepper. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 cents.